Hey, welcome to my The Science of Motivation PLR review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful PLR package that lets you quickly create and sell motivational content using high quality, ready to use materials. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to be an expert or spend hours creating content from scratch. This package gives you everything you need to hit the ground running. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, and I'm here to help you find the best strategies and tools. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together some amazing bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These are designed to help you maximize your results with the science of motivation. Check the description for details before they're gone. So, what exactly is the science of motivation? PLR. This is a complete PLR private label rights package that includes everything you need to create and sell motivational content. Whether you want to build an email list, sell products, or add value to your audience, this package has got you covered. Here's what's included: training guide, ebook, deep dive into the science of motivation, perfect for your customers, sales funnel pages and video, pre-designed to start selling right away, lead magnet and squeeze pages to help you build your email list fast, 10 articles and 10 email swipes, high quality content to drive traffic and conversions. 30 social media graphics and viral video ideas. Keep your audience engaged with ready to share content. Professionally designed e-covers to make your product look polished and professional. The best part, you get PLR rights, which means you can resell everything and keep 100% of the profits. How it works. Super simple. Getting started with the science of motivation. PLR is super simple. Here's how it works. 1. Download the complete PLR package. Get everything you need to start creating right away. 2. Use the content. Take the training guides, videos, articles, and social media images, and either use them as is or customize them for your audience. 3. Sell or give away the content. You can sell this content, bundle it with your own products, or even use it as a lead magnet to grow your email list. It's all ready for you to go with no tech skills needed. Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main PLR package, there are several upgrade options, OTOs, to enhance your experience. Upsell 1, Premium Package, 27, adds extra resources like training videos, sales funnel pages, and presentation slides. Upsell 2, Done for You, 97. Skip all the setup. Let the team handle your done for you sales funnel setup. Upsell 3, Business in a Box, $67. Get 3 best-selling PLR packages bundled together for a complete business solution. Upsell 4, Lead and Magnet Bundle, $67. 50 hot lead magnet reports, cover images, and ready-to-use squeeze pages. Upsell 5, Video Infographics. Bundle 27 includes 100 video infographics and 100 infographic templates to enhance your content. Pick the upsells that make sense for your needs and skip the rest. What I love about the science of motivation, PLR. What I really love about the science of motivation, PLR, is that it's perfect for beginners and experienced marketers alike. You get a complete set of high-quality materials that save you time and effort, with PLR rights so you can resell everything and make a profit. Here are a few standout features. Easy-to-use templates. Get started quickly with pre-made content. Proven content, motivational topics that are always in demand. Multiple monetization options. Sell the content, use it as a lead magnet, or bundle it with your own offers. This package is a great way to jumpstart your affiliate marketing business or add valuable content to your existing audience. What could be better? One thing to keep in mind is that you'll need to make some custom edits if you want the content to perfectly match your brand. But considering the value of this package, it's a small effort for what you get. Conclusion. So should you grab the Science of Motivation, PLR? If you want to quickly build a motivational content business, grow your email list, or add more value to your affiliate offers, this package is a great investment. Grab it now through my link and enjoy exclusive bonuses to help you start profiting fast. Thanks for watching my review. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.